Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming language. So in today's video we are going to discuss about writing a Unix shell program to perform basic operations of a calculator like performing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, and with these operations we'll just try to understand various basic concepts of Unix shell programming. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. As you can see, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it asks user to enter two numbers like 20 and the second number 5. Okay, next, after performing some operations, output will display like this: addition is 25, subtraction is 15, multiplication is 100 and division is 4. Okay, so to display this output, how we can write a shell script? As we guys have already discussed in our previous program, that every shell program starts with shebang statement. Is hash exclamation space usr bin bash. Okay, so this statement is called as shebang statement. So this statement indicates which shell you are using to execute your shell program. Okay, I'm using bash shell and the location of bash shell is under this directory. Okay, so when the program gets executed, it asks user to enter the first number. Okay, so to print that message or to display a message on the terminal, I will use echo command. Echo space double quote, enter first number. Okay, then to accept that input, I will use one more command, read a. Now 20 gets stored inside variable a. Then I will display second message, enter second number, again using the same command, which is echo, enter second number. Then user will enter 5. Then I need to read that number, read b. Okay, 5 will get stored inside variable b. Then I need to perform these operations. I'm getting 4 different outputs. So in our program, to store these 4 outputs, I must create 4 different variables. Now to store the value of 25 after addition, I will create a variable, say add. Then I will use equal or assignment operator. Then dollar symbol, open round bracket, and then echo space double quote dollar a plus dollar b double quote close, then pipe symbol, and then bc. Bc stands for basic calculator. Okay, there should not be any space before and after the assignment operator. If you give space, you will notice error. Okay, and then here dollar a plus dollar b. Okay, so whenever you will be using your variables inside some expression, then you must prefix your variables with dollar symbol. And whatever variables you will be using on the left side of the assignment operator, to those variables there is no need to prefix the dollar symbol. But if you are using the variables on the right side of the assignment operator, then you must prefix those variables with the dollar symbol. Okay, now this expression gets evaluated and the output gets transferred to BC with the help of this pipe symbol, and then basic calculator perform the operation and return the output of this expression to add variable. Okay, now add variable hold the value 25. Now I will perform the subtraction. To perform the subtraction, I will also create one more variable, which is sub is equals to dollar bracket echo space dollar a minus $B pipe BC. Similarly, I need to perform multiplication. To perform multiplication and to store the output of multiplication, I will create one more variable. Let us say MUL equal dollar echo space double quote $A star $B double quote close space pipe symbol space BC. Now next I will perform the division. So to store the output of division, I also need to create one more variable, which is div equal dollar open round bracket echo space double quote $A space pipe space BC. Now I just need to print these variables using echo command. Echo addition is dollar add echo subtraction is dollar sub. Okay, you should not give space between the dollar and this name of this variable. Then echo multiplication is dollar MUL. Then echo division is dollar div. Okay, whenever you will be printing the variables, you also need to prefix those variables with the dollar symbol. Otherwise, this will consider the name of the variable as a string. Suppose if you skip this dollar, then you will get the output like addition is add. Okay, so it will consider the name of the variable as a string, and you will not get the value printed. You will get only the text gets printed. So you must prefix the dollar along with the variables whenever you will be printing those variables on the terminal. Okay, so this is how you can write a Unix shell program to perform various operations of a calculator. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.